Hi, this is a quick intro to PodQueue, the missing let me add that to my playlist for podcasts. So this is what you see right after you sign up for PodQueue. We've got our main PodQueue playlist here. We don't have anything on it yet. So we're just going to add some podcast episodes to it. So we can see over in this window here I've got some different podcast episodes ready to go. So I'm just going to add these links to PodQueue, and it's going to go through and it's going to start extracting the audio from the links and just generating a standard podcast RSS feed for us that we can listen to in any client. So you can see it's working with just a variety of different kinds of links here. Could be a podcast episode, could be anything else with audio that's on the web. So for example, here we've got this NPR short story. Let's add that to the PodQueue. And we can add just any kind of website without having to go through and find an episode in our podcast directory, or even subscribe to a whole podcast if we just want to listen to one episode from a podcast. If somebody says, "Hey, listen to this episode," I guess start on. You can just add that in your PodQueue and listen to it later. Even works with YouTube links, or say we've got an interview on Twitter here that we want to listen to. So we just save those links in our PodQueue, and it extracts the audio, and we've got the standard RSS feed that we can subscribe to in our podcast client here. So I've already subscribed, and we can see we've got the same episodes here already generated in the feed for us from those links that we just added. So that's a quick tour of PodQueue. Check it out, give us some feedback, and thanks for watching.